What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple bands that I bought off of Amazon. There are three of them. There is actually Desert Tan, Orange, and Black. I was rocking the Alpine band from Amazon. It's a white one. So without further ado, I'm going to take this band off. And I'm going to put on every single band there along with a watch face that goes with it. So that's the white one. No longer gonna be running this one for a while. Till hey, I want to wear this one again, you know. So I'm actually gonna put this thing right to the side. Um, and I'm going to first start with black. This is a black one. I'm guessing that's how it works. Usually, I'm just gonna clean that real quick. The black, well, the bottom one, the longer one should be on the bottom, so I'm gonna do that real quick. If I can. Honestly, I should have started with the orange because I found that I was using a customizable watch face, which is the orange one, orange and black, because you can customize the colors. I mean, you can customize like different colors. You can go like rock black and desert tan, or black and not desert orange, black and orange. So for right now, I have the black band on. I'm going to find a quick little watch face. We can run this one, because this is one of my favorites. That is that. If we could focus. There we go. A little bit more focus. I'm put it on my wrist. I guess it just tucks right in. Yep. That is the black one. Nice and sleek, simple color. Let me take this off and I will be right back. Next up, we have the orange one. Like, it's very vibrant. It kind of reminds me of a security guard or something like that. So, without further ado, I'm gonna put this one in real quick. And once you get the hang of putting the watch bands on and off, it gets really simple. Like, how quick was that? Also, this watch face looks pretty good with it too, but you already know the black and orange. Get it on. I don't know why, but my computer won't focus it. It's a webcam. Um, because I disabled the camera on my laptop, so I'm using a webcam, if that makes sense. But that is the orange one. It actually looks like a dang Apple Watch color one. So I'm gonna take this one off. Without further ado, I will move on to Desert Tan, which would most likely be my favorite. Now I shall put the Desert Tan one on. I feel like it's gonna look really good. Like, really good, since it matches my knife, it matches most of the stuff that I got. And this could be like an everyday color. I'm actually gonna show y'all after the these bands are on with like different colors and stuff like that. So now I gotta find a nice little watch face. Could do that. Oh dang, that actually really does look good. We got that one. Dude, focus. That's good enough. Dude, this actually looks really, really good. I'm gonna be rocking this for a while. I mean, you could do different colors too if you wanted to, which I don't think that's really necessary, but it's up to you. That is the Desert Tan band for the Galaxy Watch 3. Now I'm going to show you every color variation. Alright guys, so I found a watch face for the bronze and not bronze, it's Desert Tan and black. So we got a nice little watch face for that. I'm actually not going to put this on because I'm trying to make this as short as possible, so I'm going to do Desert Tan and Orange. Alright guys, that's the Desert Tan and Orange. I have that nice little watch face right here. It's orange and Desert Tan and black, but I would never rock Desert Tan and Orange. Maybe black and orange. Now I'm going to show you black and orange. Alright guys, this is black and orange. Got the nice little black and orange watch face. I might run this for like Halloween or something like that. I don't know. But I'm going to put on my favorite band and show you my favorite watch face. But before I do that, I found a nice little Desert Tan and Orange watch face. If it'll focus. Come on, you know you want to focus. Hold on. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. You just have to kind of like cover it. Might have to show it sideways. There we go, see? It is kind of like Desert Tan and Orange. So, I'm going to go put on my favorite band, which is the Desert Tan, and show you my favorite watch face with. Now, I've been running this on every single band that I had. It's very nice, sleek, casual, don't matter. Kind of sporty too, but dude, I really love the feel of these bands. You can't put them on too tight because then you won't be able to tuck this in and make it tight enough. So I like putting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tuck in. So it's a little bit loose, but it's not, but it's tight enough. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I love y'all. Peace out.